and they have nice studentships for exchanging students each other. So, we can think about the scientific collaboration as well as student exchanging each other. And yes, I met 2 faculty members in the department, including him, and they're both experts in this special microscope, and so we had a very good discussion.
So many PIs, many group leaders are using that same microscope.
I think that they, both faculty members are affiliated in bio-nanotechnology, nanomedicine, or something like that. So this department is trying to kind of make it stronger. They're trying to sell it as one of the, strong points of the department. So I moved on to Cambridge, and I met Professor David Grover. He's in the Department of Genetics, and he's a very famous professor in the study of cell cycle field, using Drosophila melanogaster as a model organism. And I met 3 faculty members in the Department of Genetics as well as Department of Pathology, which is not located next to genetics. And I gave a talk about my stuff, and I had a discussion with these people, and they're all interested in some collaboration in the future, and especially student exchange sounds like a good plan for both sides.
Are the foreign students interested to come to Japan?
Well, I think what I noticed, I was trying to say in the end, but I noticed when I was talking with PIs in UK, especially in UK, the grant situation is not easy. Especially for young PIs, they have less chance to apply small grant, which is giving them okay amount of money to survive.
Sure.
But in the UK system, in the current UK system, they have less chance to apply for okay size of grants, but they only can apply to a kind of big grant, which is less chance.
Okay. So they don't have kakenhi like grants?
Well, I think the major funding body in UK is Wellcome Trust, Cancer Research UK, BBSLC, MRC. These are the 4 major. Resources. There are several resources, but I had a feeling that they more shifting to more translational research. So they don't
Japanese.
Like a Japan, like a Japan. I think it's a trend for everywhere.
Okay.
So they trying to solve this problem. Maybe international collaboration is one of the solutions that they can think of.
Okay. So even in the UK, they are thinking.
Oh yeah, so that's kind of amazing. The UK, they should support more basic sciences.
Sure.
But even UK.
So the collaboration between Asian countries or around the UK?
Well, I think they don't mind, but Japan could be one of the good candidates.
Because I can easily imagine that they can collaborate inside the UK. Inside the EU countries.
That's possible. That's possible. But some grants, like Human Frontier, sometimes they're really asking to have a intercontinental collaboration.
Yeah.
So in that sense, maybe Japan is a good
but
candidate.
Most of money is supported by Japanese government. Japanese money. So
So.
Yeah.
But David, he's a established professor, so he just keep getting big grant. So it's not a big deal for him.
Sure. But for other
young PIs, So